Riwruogi oten joma mine malime kanisa mar Anglican e Afrika mangima mabende ong'ere kaka the Center for Anglican Women's Leadership and Research in Africa nobago romo makelo gi kanyakla e jiwo joma mine ewi weche motenore gi telo. E kinde romo no mobagi e kanisa mar All Saints Cathedral mayudore e boma Nairobi, jotelo go kotene gi Bishop Emilio Nyango mawuok e Diocese ma Bondo oyango ni romo makamano dhi miyo gi thuolo mar somo paro kendo manyo kaka ginyalo kedo gi midhiero magi kale kaka joma mine e pacho ka.
We are concerned of Christian leaders transforming the continent of Africa. And that is why we have called Christian leaders, both from the church and from the corporate world, so that we can discuss how we can network and so how we can work together to deal with the issues affecting the continent of Africa, bedeviling women, issues like poverty, issues like the effects of climate change on women, issues like education of girls and the negative cultural practices.
It's the reason we are meeting here today, to be able to network, to share experiences, to fellowship together, and to just join hands and, in this leadership, because we appreciate how sometimes it's limiting for women. And so just coming together the way we are today, for me, is really exciting.